How to make account private on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Visnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can make or switch your account to private on Instagram. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through. In order to change or switch your account to private on Instagram, simply go ahead and open up the application Instagram and then go ahead and log into your account. Once you're logged in, what you want to do is you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're here, what you want to do is you want to simply tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen. Here on this page, you can simply scroll down and you should be able to see the option who can see your content, and under it you can see the option that says account privacy. Right here you want to tap on it. You can see currently my private account option is off. If you want to set your account to private, simply tap on the option on the right and toggle this button on. Then you can see it says switch to private. You want to confirm it, and once you confirm it, your account will be switched to private. So this is how you can make your account to private on Instagram. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.